Yeah, as a Spazza here, coming to you from Bexley once again. Yes, I'm back. Come here, been having a good flying afternoon. I've been thoroughly enjoying myself. But yeah, I just thought I'd have a wee fly around and you can see how much the water hasn't drained from this area. So yeah, spin around. Let's go and have a look, see, eh? As you can see, we still have Lake Tahoe, or whatever it is, right up here. A whole lot of seagulls have spotted my drone, so they will probably be over having a scrawl, or whatever the noise they make. Doesn't look like there's a great deal of water left, does there? Sorry about that shaking of the camera, my friends. Far out. I don't think I've actually seen the estuary sort of so far up its bank like that. Or the river, I should say. Guess there is a lot of water around. Yes, and there's the one house, the one and only house that's left in this area. Anyway, I'm not into filming houses. Yeah, gimbal motor overload. I thought I could tell that just by the way it's shaking. So there still seems to be a good amount of water here. I'm over by this puddle here somewhere. I'm close to my favourite tree, but not under it like I like to, but because there's still too much water. So yeah, a lot of water here still. Alright, last time I chickened out a bit about going for a fly out to the Brighton, eh? So let's do it, eh? Let's go for a fly out. Still gaining height. Not that I'm looking, but there doesn't seem to be any houses down below me which have lots of water, which that is good. I don't know if there's any fishermen out at the pier. I haven't taken my drone a good distance away from me for a good while. Look at the pier. There's the pier below us. Look at that greeny ocean. That black sand stuff. I wonder. I guess that's look at this. Like, look, what's this stuff here? That black sand mass. I guess that's possibly where the ocean is shallow. I don't know. Oh, it's the sand as well, by the looks of it. So where are we? Let's see where we are before I go any further. Oh look, there's the pier under us. Oops, I sure as hell don't hope I see the water coming towards me quickly, because I will get a bit scared if that happens. Here we are. Let's stop here, spin round. We should see the pier. Yeah, here we go. Look at this. I'll back up now. Yep, there's the pier. Lovely pier. I hope it's not too windy out at sea. My drone seems to be going okay. But yeah, look at the difference in watercolours. Oh my god, look at that horrible shaky camera of mine. But there you go, folks. There's a wee sample of the range of my drone, because I am way the hell over there where all that water is. Somewhere over there. So yeah. Yeah, somewhere over in that area. Haha, here's the little pier behind us. So if I show you this map here, look at that. You can even see how far away I am from the pier, so probably not a bad idea to start coming home. Still got plenty of battery power, still got plenty of signal. I've still got only lost 1 bar of signal on my video feed, etc. So yeah, how's that, everyone? How's that? Let's head over this way, eh? Let's head over Sumner Way. Say bye-bye, pier. Bye-bye, pier. So yeah, might as well take this for a nice little country fly. Sunday country fly, not a Sunday country drive. Well, should I say a Brighton drive. This is estuary area. Ooh, what's my control buzzing at me for? Oh, control the signal weak. I'm not actually sure where the drone is at the moment. That's probably why. There we go. I think I've got it back in. Yeah, so that's good to know that my drone control vibrates when I'm getting out of range. Just wasn't. I always have to have the aerials pointing roughly where the drone is. I guess I could do it this way. Nope. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yep. I know where I am now. For we fly home this way. There's hardly a breath of wind out at the moment. Even though I'm a good distance from the pier, from the beach I should say, I can still hear the massive roar from the waves. Nice and soothing. Ah yes, I see where I'm coming up to. I'm coming up to that bridge down over there. Poo ponds we have there. I sent a number 2 to those ponds today. It was a big one as well. I had to ring them and get them to open the floodgates because I just flushed the toilet. Not. Oh, here we go. We've done like a nice biggish loop. Whoopsie, stop pressing your buttons, Aaron. There we go. Coming back round this way. Oh, we're getting a bit of turbulence going on there. You can see the BMX track over there. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Gee, wobble, wobble. That's getting bad. I guess it adds a little bit of, you know, something to that. And right, and as you know, I've just done a big circle from, where was it? From the beach. Where did we started at the pier, which is over there somewhere. Is it? Yeah, it's over there somewhere. Did the big circle all the way round to show you a bit of Canterbury from the air. Not a lot of you probably get to see this. I get to see it whenever I please because my drone batteries are always charged. I'm still hoping to one day maybe catch an aerial police chase on this. Now, that would be interesting. Yeah, but I don't normally leave my drone ready to grab and go, which, you know, possibly I should. Get a nice high aerial view of a police chase. I'm very surprised that Christchurch does not have a helicopter. Oops, whatever. yeah, that they don't have a helicopter, considering the amount of police chases we seem to have here. Right, so anyway, I must be down here somewhere, because coming back home, let's have a look. Yeah, look at that, I'm only 500 feet away from me, so yeah. I'm going to be a chicken. Oh, sorry, I'm going to be lazy and press the return home.
Go home.
Go home. Okay, I'm going home. Well, I have to go home because my generator's nearly out of petrol, because I've been out here for a good few hours now, flying and continuously charging batteries, which is a good way to practice.
Landing.
Landing? No, I don't want you to land just as yet, but I'll wait for you to get ready to land. So obviously now it says it's landing. I'll cancel that. I'm down here somewhere. Hang on. Let's see if we can see me. I should be down here. Yes, you can see that little black dot. That is me. That little black dot is moving because that is me. So yeah, here's where I've been today, just under this little tree. And if you look over this way, there's my favorite tree, which I normally fly under, and there's all my favorite fly area underwater still. So I think I found just a bit good place where I am. I have all of this open field. You can see the little black dot. Geez, it looks like I've got a speck of dirt on my screen, but no, that little black speck of dirt is moving. So yeah, here's my fly area now. It's pretty good. I did have a very high altitude crash because my black freestyle drone, I was practicing stuff, and my battery plug came out at about less 100 feet. But you know, thanks to Mother Nature, she has rained on this green bit of grass for a long time, and it pretty much made it like a pillow for when my drone hit the ground. And lucky enough, it landed on its feet, sort of. Nothing broke, of course, all reinforced carbon fibre, etc. So yes, I said some pretty choice words though as it was coming down though. I said words like, oh dear, and gosh, golly gosh, oh what a shame. You know, I said lots of words like that, as you can quite imagine. So yeah, anyway, he's Mr. Azazpaza. Going to start making my way down, wrap up this video. Actually, I might take you for just a wee fly around just above the water. How does that sound? Oh, yep, okay. Now I'm acting like I can hear you. Can't see my drone at the moment. She's still up, must be up in the clouds. Oh, here we go. She's just popped out of the clouds. Whee! Down we come. That little speck of dirt on my phone is getting bigger. Da da da. I hope I don't think this video is too long. Feel happy to press the pause key, or feel happy to press the dislike button if there is such a button. Hello there. And here we are, back down again. Alright, let's go for a... How many feet are we? 8.9 foot? Yeah, wow, that's not correct. Anyway, let's go for a fly over the water. Whee! Over the water, not into the water. Yeah, sploosh.
Low battery warning.
Low battery warning. Woo! Okay, people, thank you very much. As a signing out for now. Catch you later. Drone's landing.